What's going on, everyone? It's Lee here, the rental guy from the Party Rental Shop. We're just finishing out Friday and you're in the vlog. I started this party rental business not from this warehouse but from the garage of my house. That was roughly 6 years ago. That was April 2019, and now through reinvesting, here we are in this warehouse, and this is the business. Let's get into the week. This week we made $5,986. It's up a little bit because we're taking bookings, but then we're also fulfilling orders. Yeah, every day this week we had something going on, whether it was a few deliveries or customer pickup, always something going on. And then money was coming in from deposits as well. So this is the time of year when I start going like this and worrying a little bit because it's like, oh, I don't have enough tents being booked yet. This year, I know we lost a few jobs because they're just certain jobs that we've had just aren't going on again this year. And every time that someone doesn't rebook, I try to do my due diligence and research to see if it was our fault, if the event's still going on, but they're using a different company. And thankfully, everyone who hasn't rebooked this year, it's because the events are no longer happening. But still, that's a valid concern for a tent company. So, I did little things to try to get money in different areas. Like I added a whole bunch of chairs, a bunch of these rustic crossbacks and these chivaris so that I can make extra money on things that weren't exactly tents. I also bought a whole bunch of inflatables because, well, the inflatables is money that I wasn't going to be getting anyway. So I know it would supplement in an area where I'm lacking if I start venturing out. So we've been taking bookings for inflatables. I love the little bits of money that are coming in. Today, look at this. We're cleaning part of the warehouse. I need to get this better. So let's clean this up. My competitors in my area are pretty smart. They've got locked in contracts, with people. We don't have those big locked in contracts yet. We're still working our way up towards that. We have to be a little more careful. Things that are great and still moving weekly, photo booths. You can guarantee that we'll have a photo booth going out every week, as well as projector screen, and projector usually goes out every week as well, at least one. The games are great as well. I can always count on a few yard games going out, possibly an arcade. This weekend, it's actually the Step Mania game. It's like Dance Dance Revolution style game. Went out for the first time in 2 years, but that's because I have it priced so high. It was like $600 to order that. So this time of year, I'm spending money faster than it's coming in. The money's dwindling down, but there's things we need because the more stuff we buy, it's either inventory that's going to make us money or it's things that we need to run the business more efficiently to save money. Do we want to spend money to save money by buying efficient things like this glass polisher so we don't have to spend as much time polishing glasses? Or do we want to spend our money on things like this, inventory that's going to generate more money? So those chairs will generate more money, but this will mean that we get more efficient things done, having to pay the staff less. So it all equals money in one way or another. And, we got to keep spending it so that our efficiencies grow and our inventory levels grow.
Way better.
What did I buy? I bought a new dishwasher. It's on its way here. I bought some games just to fill orders, right? We needed another foosball table, another pool table. So theirs are on their way. And then we bought that. That's the glass polisher. So, this is my linen area. It's run by the girls, hence why it always looks so good because they're way more organized than me. I'm working on getting organized, but it's tough and I'm running out of time. So you can see, they've got all their linens nice in bins. They usually keep their table nice. It's usually me who puts all the crap out there and then walks away like the big jerk that I am. But the back, oh my God, I gotta get it going here. The thing is last year, the year before, all those other years, I bring staff members in when it's not fully organized and then they don't know where to put things away. So I'm desperately trying to get everything so perfect, but I'm running out of time. So I gave myself till next Thursday to have it good. So that's when the warehouse tour is coming. Anyways, so I bought all these brand new chairs, then I threw them on special and for like 40% off and no one's booking them. But that's going to change because, you know, April, like, it starts to pick up steam, and Google told me that my website hits are 40% up. So at this time of year, you may be seeing what I'm seeing. You're like, oh, the money's dwindling down. You know, more bookings are coming in, but you're like, is it enough? Well, this is when you look at your website stats, because my website stats, specifically from Google, I like to look at the Google ones from Google Search Console. It says that my views on my website are 40% up from last period, which means people are browsing, they're getting ready to pull the trigger. And that always happens in May. It's just like booking, booking, booking. During April, we can usually count on 3 to 5 bookings a day. And in May, it just goes bam, like mayhem. That's when everyone pulls the triggers in May. And then June and July and, you know, the whole busy season. So, remember when I went to Ty's warehouse and I made the video there and I showed you the carts that he had? And I was like, oh, those carts for poles. See, there's Advent loaders, which are essentially tent boxes.
Yeah, that one's dead right now. It's getting a new engine put in.
Poles for tents. Yeah, because they'll go over grass nice. Well, I stole his idea there and I made some carts this week. I made 2 of them and they're going to transport tent tops and poles. So that's pretty cool. So I get these carts from Beaver, you know, but look at them. So I'm taking these wheels off. Look at them, they're all worn out at the bottom. And I'm putting these bad boys on. Look at these. We'll be able to put tent poles on them. We'll be able to put tents on them. Right now I've got some stage on another one of them here. They'll go well over grass. I didn't show you these because I was going to save them for the warehouse tour, but I had bought a couple of these carts too that are going to be great for customer pickups. Right now there's just a bunch of junk on them. I gotta tell you though, buying things, you know, to make your business more professional every year, it's exhilarating, right? You spend a lot of money just enhancing things. You know, for years and years and years, we were just using this crappy little printer, and now we gotta, you know, get a laser printer that does photocopying, prints so much faster. And it's just like, you know, I remember times when I couldn't afford anything. And, you know, every year you buy, you know, 4 or 5 things to enhance your business. And then you'll have those things. And then the next year it's 4 or 5 different things. And after so many years, you just have everything that can really maximize your efficiency. So, you know, laser printers, dishwashers. So you saw one of my sea cans last year. Where I put my tent poles. Well, this year I have to figure out how to furnish this one. Anyways, can't wait to crack this bad boy open. What, 26 feet, 3 bays high. Anyways, everyone, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Check out another one. Press the like button, and we'll see you on the next one. And as always, you stay classy.